Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because we are going to be unboxing my Beautylish Lucky Bag. This is the first year that I have ordered the Beautylish Lucky Bag. I was gonna order it last year, but then I just decided not to, and then I immediately regretted it. So I definitely wanted to get my hands on one this year. I wanted to get my hands on the XL Lucky Bag, but unfortunately they were all sold out, so I did just get like the regular size one, which retailed for $75, and it claims to be $150 worth of merchandise or more. If you guys are unfamiliar with the Beautylish Lucky Bags, again, they have a $75 one where you get $150 or more worth of beauty products, and then they also have the XL, which you pay I think $150 for, but it's like $300 to $350 plus of merchandise. And I know in years past people have gotten like the really large Natasha Denona like purple or green eyeshadow palettes in their XL Lucky Bags, so it's serious business here. So I'm really excited to be opening my Lucky Bag. In fact, I wasn't going to film today. I just got home from like about a 12-hour day of work, and I frankly am exhausted, but then this was on my doorstep, so I had to slap some makeup on really quick so that I could film this video, because I felt like if I cheated and looked at the products but then filmed later, it just wouldn't be as authentic, and I have no patience and no self-restraint, so I obviously wanted to see what was in my Lucky Bag. So I haven't looked inside this at all yet, you guys, so I will be seeing what's in here for the first time with you guys here on camera. If you're interested in seeing what I got in my Beautylish 2018 Lucky Bag, then just keep watching. So again, really sorry if I look tired or if my makeup just is, it's not on point today. I just like literally was like, okay girl, like you need to slap some makeup on. I didn't want to do a purple look because I'd been doing lots of purple looks, so I pulled out my ColourPop Femme Rosa palette, and I'm not really like that impressed with the palette. Like I feel like next declutter I might be getting rid of the Femme Rosa palette, but that is besides the point. So I have my Lucky Bag right here, and we're just gonna jump right into it. I'm like super nervous. Okay, so first we have some tissue. I'm nervous. I'm gonna take a sip of tea. Oh, I should read what this says first. So it says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestlers, or Rikishi, on this year's Lucky Bags are said to bring good luck and fortune. We hope the surprises inside make your 2019 a little more lucky. Okay, actually I'm nervous to see what's inside. So, let me just, is this all packaging? Is there anything here? Nope. Okay, so everything that I got is inside this little bundle here, so I'm a little nervous I'm going to be disappointed, but we'll see. Okay, I'm just going to reach in and grab something to begin. Ooh, okay, so first we have a little Viseart palette, and I've said this on my channel before, but I have a Viseart Petite, and I was rather disappointed by it. So this is actually one of the Theory palettes, so not the Petites. So, and I actually have a 12-pan Viseart palette that like, a little bit disappointed in that too, but we'll see. Okay, so it's a little Viseart Theory palette. Ooh, this is so fitting. So I don't know if it says the number on here. Theory, I think that's 4 in Roman numerals. But it is a purple palette, which is super fitting, because if you guys are or have been watching like any of my 2019 videos, I've been wearing so much purple eyeshadow, mostly because I'm trying to pan some of my more mauve toned eyeshadows, but yes, a purple palette, a little 6 pans of purple to add to my collection. So yeah, excited to play around with this and kind of jump into this and see if, you know, I change my mind about the Viseart formula, whether or not I still think it's disappointing, yada but not gonna lie, I would have maybe been a little bit more excited if it was Natasha Denona, but I'm not gonna complain here. Okay, reaching in, next I have this little guy. What could it be? Okay, so this is an Artistique blush by Sorrel. So it's a blush. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. Ooh, and it's just like a little slide, and I'm not gonna lie. Not really the first blush color that I go with. That is pigmented. But maybe I could use this as an eyeshadow. Okay. Interesting. Not really that excited about that blush, not gonna lie. Okay, next up we have a brush. Ooh, that's exciting. Okay, so this is a Wayne Goss brush, and this is his number 13 brush, which I'm not gonna lie, Wayne Goss brushes are so nice. I have one. I'm wondering what this one looks like. It could be like a nice contour brush. And I do have the, no, it's not Wayne Goss. I was going to say I have the Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder. Hold on, let me see what this brush is supposed to be used for. Okay, so it just says 13 is a face brush. It says it enhances the application and finish of foundation, powders, and more. This retails for 53 buckarooskies. So I'm actually excited to try this for like contours, what I think I'm going to use it for, just because it feels like it's a little bit, well, it's pretty dense. I was going to say it feels stiff, but it doesn't feel stiff. It just feels dense. It feels super soft, actually. I'm actually really excited about this because normally I just buy pretty cheap brushes. I want to look up that blush. Okay, so it's actually Surat, and I'm probably still mispronouncing it, and the blush retails for $32. And the Viseart palette retails for $45, so we're at $130 so far. Feels like I have 3 products left. I'm gonna grab, this must be a lip product maybe? A lip product. Okay, so this is a Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick, and I know a lot of people like don't support Jeffree Star, and I've bought a few of his liquid lipsticks. I don't mind his liquid lipstick formula, and this looks like a really pretty nude, so I'm actually really excited about this because all my other liquid lipsticks from him are a deep shade. This is gonna be like a super pale nude though. I'll be interested to see how this like actually looks on my lips, but I'm actually really excited about this. This is more of like a peachy nude, and if I didn't say, this is in the shade Skin Tight, so I'm actually happy about this. I believe his liquid lipsticks retail for $18. Okay, next up, ooh, this says coming soon, so it must be coming soon to Beautylish. And oh, interesting, I was just looking at this on their website. This is by Good Molecules. This is their Super Peptide Serum. Okay, maybe I wasn't just looking at this because it's not on the website. There was something about like chemistry that I was just looking at on the Beautylish website, but excited about this. I don't know what this retails for because I can't look it up on the website, but it says apply 1 drop in the morning and at night before oils and moisturizers and let absorb for 30 seconds. Suitable for daily use. And it just looks like this. It says formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. I'm kind of interested in the consistency or like the texture of this. So 1 drop. I don't know if you'll even be able to see. Ooh, 1 drop does go quite a long way, and it does feel, it honestly just feels like pretty liquidy, not even like thick, almost more like water-based. So excited to give this a try and excited to test out a new brand that hasn't even launched in Beautylish yet. Okay, and last but not least, whatever this is, oh, okay. This is the Becca Glow on the Go set, and it looks like you get a little shimmering skin perfector in rose gold, as well as the shimmering skin perfector spotlight in rose gold. So I already have the rose gold highlight, I believe. I don't have the spotlight, like the liquid one, but I don't really care for liquid highlights as much, so I'll probably set this aside more for a giveaway, but that's pretty cool too. And after that, that is going to be all the products that I got in my Beautylish Lucky Bag. I'm not going to lie, I'm not like super excited about it. Like, I feel like I'm a little bit let down, but I don't hate everything I got. I'm excited to test that new Viseart palette. I think that'll be fun. And then I'm really excited about the shade that I got in the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. I'm also really excited about that serum. The blush I definitely could have done without. The Becca I could have done without. And then the Wayne Goss brush I actually am really excited about. So I would say it was like kind of 50-50. Will I order the bag next year again? Probably, just because it's kind of fun. It's, you know, just something different. If you guys did order the Beautylish Lucky Bag, you'll have to let me know down in the comments below and let me know what you got in your box. Other than that, if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so before you go, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Thanks, bye.